What's up everybody, this is gonna be a short video. So I just want to share with you guys, I found a meme coin that could be a next potential gem, and this meme coin is still at the very early stage and it has a huge potential to grow. In my opinion, it can do 10x, 100x, or maybe even 1000x. This coin is at very early stage, so not necessarily, but in my opinion this could be a next pepe coin. But before I show you the coin, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research, and everything that I'm going to state in this video is just my personal opinion. So the coin is called CZ the Goat. Like I stated earlier, this project is still at very early stage. It's on the Binance Smart Chain, of course, because it's a CZ and they already have a website. And if we go to their website, as you can see, they have tokenomics system, roadmap, features, and where to buy tokens. We scroll down, you can see they also allocated 10 million tokens to CZ. I'm not sure if he ever gonna take it or not or get it, but one wallet is designed for CZ as well. They have Twitter, I just show you, they have Telegram channel and everything about CZ the Goat. You can check the audit, buy token, and then see the chart, and looks like there's staking is gonna be and many other features and thing that this project is going to be doing. And the total supply, it's only going to be 1 billion tokens. So that's mean it's not going to have like a 69 trillion or something like that, like pepe and any other tokens. So the supply is going to be a lot smaller for meme coin. And let's pull up the CoinGecko, and in CoinGecko, as you can see at the time of recording, each token doesn't even cost a penny. So it's 0.0038, but looks like it's getting a lot of hype, and trading value is almost 1 million or getting close to 1 million. And you can pick it up this coin at two places. You can either pick it up on PancakeSwap, or I think they just recently listed, let's go back to their Twitter, and they're just recently listed on Bitmart. And if they'll partner with one of the major centralized exchanges, I think this token can gain a lot of potential and a lot of gains. And this is pretty much it. Link to this project I'm gonna leave in the description below. Thanks for watching.